Алексей, любимый мой, американцы уничтожили нашу ракету.
Что? Этого не может быть!
Они на нас напали неожиданно. Они как-то туда проникли, я просто даже не знаю.
Как ты могла допустить это?
Алексей, мне жаль, что все так случилось.
Жаль? Ведь я ж тебе верил, Ангелина.
Милый мой, что?
Я так тебе верил.
Генерал! Полковник Иосиф, приготовьте вторую ракету.
Вторую ракету?
План Б. Приготовьте мою машину. Сию минуту!
Get in M113!
Roger.
Three, waiting. Three, return to formation.
Roger.
Unknown! Tank! 1000! Tank! 1000! Three! Halt!
Roger.
думаешь, что ты меня поймал, американка? Ты думаешь, что ты выиграл? Дурак! Даже теперь, когда ты торжествуешь и радуешься, что ты выиграл, мой гениальный план близится к завершению. Пока ты тут стоишь и ухмыляешься, как победитель, моя другая ракета готовится к старту в северо-восточной части этого острова. Уже совсем скоро ты умрешь вместе со своими идиотами-друзьями. И вся вселенная превратится в хаос!
Сомневаюсь, товарищ генерал.
Ты говоришь по-русски?
Нет!
8, fall back into formation.
Roger.
Papa Bear, this is Alpha 1. Target captured. Repeat, target captured. Over.
Roger that, Alpha 1. Time to celebrate. Roger.
Not so fast, Papa Bear. Be advised. Second missile located Kogajev, northeast. Moving to neutralize. Over.
Received and understood. Fast as you can, Alpha 1. Good luck. Out. President Reagan gave no comment on the alleged incident,
but one senior official privately described the congressman's behavior as laughable. Meanwhile, tensions appear to have eased on the island of Everon, cause of so much speculation over the past few days, with American forces reportedly engaging hostile troops of unknown origin. In an official statement, the Secretary of Defense revealed that a U.S. training camp on the island had been attacked by a small group of lightly armed terrorists, led by a disgraced former general of the Russian army. U.S. military sources state that the assault was a poorly planned publicity-seeking maneuver by an extremist organization, which was easily resisted by American troops. There were no significant casualties. Moscow has termed the incident highly regrettable, and the whereabouts of the terrorist leader remain unknown. In other news, Reggie the runaway
Unknown.
tiger is still on the loose.
I hope he's
The
rotting
San
in
Diego
hell.
Zoo star
They
attraction
wouldn't
has
tell us
been
if he
missing
was.
for 3 days,
Will
since he
anyone
left
ever
free
hear
from
the
a temporary
truth?
holding
No
area
one
while
wants
his
to look
pen was
bad,
being
my
cleaned.
friend.
In other news,
They all
Greg
have too
Johannes
much to
runaway
lose.
tiger.
The story will never be told.
The San
But at
Diego
least
Zoo star
we're still
attraction
alive.
has now been missing
Be
for 3
thankful,
days,
be
since he
thankful.
left free from a temporary holding area while his pen was